Getting instant transfer on Robinhood is a convenient feature that allows users to access their funds immediately after selling stocks or other securities. To get instant transfer on Robinhood, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria and follow a few simple steps. First, you need to have a Robinhood account and a linked bank account. The bank account must be a checking or savings account from a U.S. bank. You also need to have a valid debit card linked to your bank account. To enable instant transfer, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the account settings. Tap on the menu icon and select Transfers. From there, select the bank account you want to transfer funds to and tap on Enable Instant Transfer. You will be prompted to enter your debit card information and verify your identity. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to transfer funds instantly to your linked bank account. The instant transfer feature is available for transfers up to $1,000 per day. It is worth noting that instant transfer is only available for transfers to a linked debit card. If you are transferring funds to a bank account without a linked debit card, the transfer may take several business days to complete. To ensure that your instant transfer is successful, make sure that your bank account and debit card information are up to date and accurate. Also, be aware of any transfer limits and fees associated with instant transfer. In summary, getting instant transfer on Robinhood requires a linked bank account and debit card, and following a few simple steps to enable the feature. By following these steps and meeting the eligibility criteria, you can access your funds immediately after selling stocks or other securities, and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility that instant transfer provides.